Well, one of the unique services we provide here at the Dental Cosmetic Clinic is the treatment for sleep apnea. Now that can be either mild, moderate or severe. So for the mild and moderate cases, there's a device called the Sleepwell, which fits quite snugly against the top teeth and bottom teeth. And there's a hook on the top that engages on a plate on the lower. And you're turning a screw every week and advancing the lower jaw forwards. And what that does is open your airway so that it stops this kind of wakefulness at night and your snoring. It works really well, and generally 4 mils is normally enough to open somebody's airway. So if ever you're concerned about your snoring or wakefulness at night and not feeling breathless, give us a ring and we can always discuss your options for you.